Mikayla Victoria Simpson, known as Koffee, was born February 16, 2000, in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Rising to fame as a reggae and dancehall artist, she became a global sensation with her 2017 hit, Toast, and won the Grammy for Best Reggae Album in 2020 for her EP Rapture, making her the youngest and first female winner in the category at age 19. Her career blends reggae's roots with modern pop and hip-hop influences, earning praise for uplifting lyrics and youthful energy. Koffee's discography includes her debut album Gifted, 2022, featuring tracks like Pull Up and West Indies, and collaborations with artists like J Hus and Gunna. By 2025, she's performed at major festivals like Coachella and Glastonbury, cementing her as a reggae revivalist. She also ventured into production and songwriting, contributing to Rihanna's Rasta road trip project. Her estimated net worth in 2025 is around $2 million, derived from music, tours, and endorsements with brands like Nike and Spotify. Koffee's lifestyle reflects her Jamaican roots and grounded persona. Raised by a single mother, Jennifer Simpson, a pastor and occasional actress, Koffee grew up in the church, shaping her positive outlook and spiritual lyrics. Living in Kingston, she maintains a modest lifestyle despite fame, often seen in casual streetwear or vibrant Jamaican-inspired outfits. She's passionate about fitness, practicing yoga and running, and advocates for mental health and environmental causes, supporting Jamaica's plastic-free JA initiative. Koffee is a vegetarian, often sharing plant-based recipes on social media, and enjoys skateboarding and painting as hobbies. Her home, a modern Kingston apartment, features a small recording studio where she crafts music. Regarding relationships, Koffee keeps her personal life private. As of 2025, no public information confirms any romantic partners, including girlfriends, boyfriends, or cases involving relationships. Speculation about her dating life occasionally surfaces on platforms like X, but she's never addressed it, focusing instead on her craft. She's unmarried, has no children, and emphasizes family, often crediting her mother for her success. No legal disputes or controversies tied to relationships are documented. On her career, Koffee's trajectory is remarkable. Starting with covers on YouTube, she gained attention when Usain Bolt shared her song Legend in 2016. Signed to Columbia Records UK, she released Rapture in 2019, followed by global tours. Her music addresses social issues like poverty and youth empowerment, resonating worldwide. In 2025, she's working on her second album, teased as blending Afrobeat and reggae. As for cause of death, Koffee is alive as of August 2025, with no reported health issues. Misinformation about celebrity deaths is common, but no credible sources indicate her passing. Her influence continues to grow, inspiring young artists and fans globally with her authentic voice and vibrant energy.